I had a client call me and say, hey, I've got a mushroom growing out of the wall in my house. Is that a problem? Well, that could definitely be a problem. So let's take a closer look at it and see what it was. Orange County Restoration, we were at a house in Mission Viejo today, and we have a fungus growing outside. It looks like poria, but we're not sure. So we're gonna get it tested at the lab and find out for sure. Now, if the poria is just outside and it doesn't make it anywhere to the structure, okay. But it's when it gets to the wood that it starts eating everything. So let's hope. But it's when it gets to the wood that it starts eating everything. So let's hope it's just outside.